guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to be unboxing these D1 Sanko hood pins, or bonnet pins, depending on what country you're from. So go ahead, crack into it. Alright, so you can see here, you've got your two. We got the option with the lock. So it comes with these two. And looks like all your hardware and the mounts for the car, and then two sets of keys. So do that. Alright, so we finally got it open, and you can see this piece, which is in your bonnet, goes up through here, and then it'll shut and lock that in, and then you can lock it. But yeah, the problem is the only way we were able to get this open is by shoving the key through the bottom, which you can't do if your bonnet's shut. So I and it's real cheap plastic too. You can see the rough, cheap plastic. This one won't even close again. Like, doesn't matter which way the key is turned, it doesn't want to close. And this again, you can close it, but it's just so cheap, and then to get it back open, you literally have to pop it from the bottom, which you can't do when it's in the car. So these are a big waste of money from what I can see. It's kind of a piece of crap. And I don't think this is going to go in the car because you can't actually use it. I'm not even sure, that just tilts it a little bit. I can't even get it to go back down. And it's just cheapo plastic. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the D1 Sanko hood pins that don't work. So maybe don't waste your money like I did. Great. Alright guys and gals, that's all. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and feel free to subscribe and comment below. Thanks. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.